Hello, everyone, and welcome to Daily Fluent English. I'm Priya.
And I'm Rohan. Today we're going to talk about something fun and very useful. Talk about your hobbies.
Yes, hobbies are one of the best topics for conversation. Whether you're making new friends or talking in an interview, people always ask about hobbies.
Priya, what's your favorite hobby?
I love reading English storybooks and watching English movies. It helps me improve my language and also relaxes me after a long day. What about you, Rohan?
My favorite hobbies are playing cricket and listening to podcasts. I also enjoy cooking on weekends. Cooking helps me stay creative and calm.
That's nice. How long have you been cooking?
I've been cooking for almost 4 years now. At first, I only made simple things, but now I try new recipes every weekend.
That's great. I started reading English novels 2 years ago. In the beginning, it was difficult, but now I enjoy it a lot. It has really improved my vocabulary.
Yes, practice makes everything easier. Do you have any other hobbies?
Sometimes I go for evening walks and write in my journal. Writing helps me organize my thoughts in English.
That's a very good habit. I usually play cricket with my friends every Sunday morning. It keeps me fit and I enjoy the teamwork.
Let's do a small conversation so our viewers can practice.
Okay.
Hey Rohan, what do you usually do in your free time?
In my free time, I play cricket and listen to English podcasts. On weekends, I also cook something special. What about you?
I mostly read novels or watch English series. Sometimes I go to a cafe and write in my journal. It helps me practice English writing.
That sounds interesting. How long have you been writing a journal?
Almost 1 year now. At first it was difficult, but now I really enjoy it.
That's wonderful. You should never stop practicing.
Thank you. Friends, when someone asks about your hobbies, try to give a full answer. Don't just say, I like reading. Say why you like it and how long you've been doing it.
Yes. For example, instead of saying, I like music, you can say, I love listening to English songs because it helps me improve my pronunciation.
Exactly. And if you don't have many hobbies, it's okay. Even 1 or 2 hobbies are enough if you can talk about them clearly.
So viewers, think about your own hobbies right now. What do you enjoy doing in your free time?
Write about your hobby in the comments in 3 to 4 lines. We will read your answers and help you improve them.
Thank you so much for watching Daily Fluent English. If you liked this episode, please like, share, and subscribe.
Keep practicing English every day and talk about the things you love. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.